What's up everybody, Pete here from the Sunday Drive, and today we're deviating away from our normal car types of videos and we're going to show you some lighting equipment unboxing. So in this box is something I recently purchased from B&H Photo. It was on sale, it was like a package deal. It was like $170 for the light, or maybe it was $160, and then for another $25 you get this nice softbox. So we're going to be unboxing both of these. I haven't really seen much information on these online, so we're going to check it out. Now on the box, it says SP80-120. The CRI is 96, which is pretty good. Anything above 95, I think, is good enough, especially for us. And it's daylight balanced. So it's at 5600 Kelvin, and it's dimmable from 10% to 100%. So I don't know if we'll need that 0 to 10%. I don't think we will for the shooting that we do in this garage. But if you're looking for something that goes down to 0, this won't be it. But let's see what comes in this box. All right, so first up we get this power cable, which seems decently long. I know my wingspan is about 6 feet, so 6, 12, 18. So it looks like an 18-foot power cord. That's better than the lights that we currently use. The biggest issue with the lights that we have, they're like Exilvan or something that I got off of Amazon, and they're not dimmable. So that's actually the biggest problem, is they're always at 100%, and the softbox isn't really great on them. The power cable is so short. It's like a 6-foot power cable as opposed to this, which is 18 feet. So right there, that's a huge bonus. So I'll show you what our current lighting system looks like. It's just these typical Amazon Exilvan type of lights and stands that come in a kit, and the stands are, I don't want to say garbage, but if you extend the stand all the way to the top with the light box on and everything, it starts to lean pretty good. And you know, even if you put sandbags on the bottom, which we have to do so that the lights don't fall into our cars or customer cars, the top starts leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa pretty bad. So here we have a power adapter. Finally, it comes with, in case you don't buy the big Octabox, it comes with this diffuser, which you can put on, and you can probably put this on and then put the Octabox on to get even softer light. If that, you know, the name of the game, in my opinion, is trying to get as much soft light as possible. Even though right now I don't even have diffusers on our main lights, so hopefully it doesn't look too harsh. So after I unbox this, I'm going to actually shoot a segment where I balance the camera to 5600 Kelvin, and I use this as my only light, and we'll see how the softness looks and the color balance. And right now I'm shooting on an EOS R6, brand new camera. I'm very happy to have it, but I know that Potato Jet was having some issues, or I don't know if it was necessarily issues, but it was warmer.
But yeah, this looks accurate. This looks really warm to me.
Definitely warmer skin tones, and overall it was just a warmer color temperature as opposed to his C300 or other cameras, his EOS R. So I don't know if it's just how Canon is doing colors on that camera, or if it was his unit, or it's all the R6s, but we'll see how it looks anyway. And by the way, the settings I'm shooting on are just, I'm pretty sure it's just neutral right now, and I'm not shooting in C-Log. So here you go. Get it nice and close. It weighs about 3 pounds, not terrible. Oh, I guess I should show you the back. So on the back, you just get a simple power switch and a dimmer and an LED that shows you from 10 to 100. Or probably actually only goes from 10 to 99. So before I open the softbox and put it on, I should probably put this on a stand. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this on this new impact stand that also came in the mail at the same time. It's got the air cushion. Here's the tilt. Let's get this baby plugged in. There we go. All right, so that is on and pretty bright. So this is actually annoying to put on. Oh my gosh. Yep, I give up. All right, it's the diffuser. It diffuses things. So that is it. Oh, actually, I just realized, I thought that was 100%. That's a 10%, so let's turn it up. That's 99. That's much better. Oh, blinding, oh my gosh. 10, if you go slow, it goes by single digits, 20. But if you go fast, it just starts going in bigger increments, because that was just 30. And that was 40, and I only turned it like 3 clicks, but I think the speed at which you turn it indicates how fast it accelerates. So here's the back of the panel, and as you can see, here's the LED brightness. That's max 10. And let's see how long it takes to turn on. So off, on. Does it always start at 10? So if it starts at 99 and then I turn it off, it looked like it went down and then, okay, so, oh, yeah, okay, so it remembers where it was. So now we'll install this Octabox for the lights. So I think for 25 bucks when they have the sale, this is totally worth it. I think normally it's like $60 or $65. Either way, it'll add a lot more softness to this. It'll decrease the brightness a tiny bit, but that's okay. At least for me, I'd rather have softness over just harsh light. Now, this isn't a traditional like Bowens mount kind of thing where you can just pop it on. There are a bunch of metal rods in here that you have to attach to the back, and you know, once it's on there, it's kind of just on there. I doubt you'll want to take it off often. So these metal rods slide into these little nubs on the back around the perimeter. It looks like each side is identical, and it just sits right there, and then you're gonna bend it. It does have some Velcro on it. So I guess we'll put it over, and then we'll take a rod, feed it through here. I'm guessing the last one's probably gonna have the most tension on it, because this is going a little too easy so far. All right, last one is in. Velcro this baby up. Look at that, it's beautiful. And last but not least, you get an inner diffuser and an outer diffuser. And if I were to put down that extra first diffuser, that would be 3 layers of diffusion, which would be pretty good. I'm only gonna go with 2, I think that's fine. All right, so that's the inner diffuser. And now we throw on the final touch, the cherry on top. By the way, I'm not being paid by this company. I paid money for this, so I hope it works. Soft light, it's beautiful. I should be able to get like nice and close to this. I'm so used to just like these crappy lights like this one. I'll just ruin the shot for a second, but I have these, you know, $60 lights for a kit of 3 from Amazon. Obviously they work because I'm using them right now, but this should step it up. And having a reliable stand makes me so excited. All right, so I have set the camera to be 5600 degrees Kelvin, and it is currently about 5 feet away from this air compressor at 10%. I'm gonna pump it all the way up to 99, right there. And I'll bring it down to 0, or 10, sorry, 10, and then 50. That's 52%. And now I'll turn it off. And here's my Amazon light, just one of them, because it was a kit of 3, but still has 1 fluorescent bulb in it. And here is the new light right next to my face. Like, it's arm's length. My fingers are touching it right now. My camera lens is about arm's length to my palm, not my fingertips. I guess the touchscreen's to my fingertips. Really soft light. I'm looking in the display right now, and I think it looks freaking great. Like, that looks awesome. I've never experienced a light so close to my face, at least one that I've owned, that like looks so damn good. I just don't want to look away. It's like, is this why moths like the sun? Moths, sun. So 5600 degree light, 5600 degree Kelvin on the white balance, and it looks really, I look a little red maybe. Let's pump it up, I wanna see. I'm at f2.8, ISO 200, and okay, so this is me really close to the camera. Hopefully I'm not beyond the autofocus. Boom, okay. And this is me, I'll step away. So light fall off, obviously that's how light works. But right here, I'm like right on the camera. And now I'm just like closer than arm's length. Like, it's right on top of me. I could just like hold the camera up and vlog from this distance, and the light, I'm touching it right now. My fingers will go through the softbox. Now I'm gonna pump it up to 50 and then 100. Okay, so here's 50. It's obviously gonna be super overexposed. Let's see. Yeah, it's lighting up the background really good, because I think in the last shot it was pretty much dark. So this is me now at the door. And now let's do 100. So this is pretty much unusable, but just to show you how that range brightness is, totally blown out on the left side of my face. Let's back up. How's it look? What do you guys think? Like right there, does that light almost look okay? So let me fix the ISO. By the way, I'm using a Canon R6 and I've been recording for like over an hour now. Camera's warm to the touch, but it hasn't warned me about any sort of overheating yet. So I don't know if I'll have that issue, and I hope I don't. Okay, and now we should be properly exposed again. So that's f4.5 at ISO 100. So like, it's dark. I have no other lights on except for this one. And I don't even feel the need to squint. I can just have my eyeballs open. And I'm wondering, when I see it in the computer, if I have like nice round catch lights. Oh no, I'm getting an overheat warning. Oh, I got an overheat warning and then it went away, so that's interesting. Canon, I'm watching you, don't mess this up. So that's the light, I'm using it right now and this is awesome. I'm so amped. I can't believe how close it is to my face and like how soft it looks, and my camera's flashing at me again. It's gonna overheat, but we'll keep going till it dies. You know, very bright, way brighter than most things I'll need. I probably won't be at 99% often. And I feel like a liar calling it 100 because I know I'm missing that last percent. Hopefully this light lasts a while. I know it's not like on the same quality level as like an aperture light, but honestly, the price is there if you get it on sale. So yeah, I can't complain at all. And it's super light. I'm really happy about the length of the cord. It's so long that I can get all the way across my garage with like one cable, which is awesome. Usually I'm like running around looking for extension cords, but I don't want to keep talking. Basically, you saw the light, you saw how to put the softbox on. Hopefully this helps you. And if it did, please give us a big like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys.